In this tutorial, I'll go over how to make a simple bunny pillow to use as an Easter decoration. This is a pretty simple pillow that you can do even if you are a beginner. Simply download the free pattern using the link below and get started. After cutting out 2 of the pattern pieces, the first thing you want to do is sew the front and the back of the pillow together with the right sides of the fabric together. Make sure to leave a gap at the bottom of the pillow. Next, you want to clip the corners and curves. So clip very close to the stitching on all of the corners, being careful not to actually cut through the stitching. So this will be under the chin, on top of the tail, and on both sides of the ear. Then you want to clip all of the curves so that you can have a more rounded edge to your pillow, and then trim the seam allowance to about 1/4 inch. Next, you want to turn the pillow to the right side out. You can use some kind of long pointy tool to help get all of the sides and edges turned out completely. Then it's also a good idea to press the pillow seam flat. Now you want to stuff the pillow. You can use whatever you want to stuff the pillow. I like to use leftover fabric scraps that are too small to use for anything else. But this does make the final pillow a little bit more lumpy than it otherwise would be. So if you don't like that, you can always use polyfill or other types of traditional pillow stuffing materials. Now all you have to do is sew up the gap at the bottom. And you're finished. You have a cute little DIY Easter bunny pillow.